Hi, Sandy Abbott here again. Hey, I want to talk to you about something I've done recently, and that is I've made a new website. It's called aspiringartist.art. And what I realized was the people I really want to help are artists. I came through high school and university studying art, kind of half-heartedly and part-time. And I got out of school without having fully developed my art skills. I think the problem was I was kind of getting towards the end of my art education and I got married, and that kind of finished my art education before I was ready. So I never really developed as a professional artist, which is what I wanted to do. Instead, I had to get a bunch of jobs, and I eventually went back and got a teaching degree and a master's degree in education so I could teach, but I didn't have time for my art. So throughout the years, I was struggling to try and find the time and the money while I was working a full-time job to develop my art, and it was very difficult. But the good news is, this thing I've come across, this course that teaches you how to do social media, has given me the extra income that I need to be able to have the time to develop my art and start working as a professional artist. So that's what I want to share with all the artists today, is how to do that. This course was developed by a lady who was not an artist, but she had 6 kids. She was a single mom, and she was working several jobs, and she never had time to be with her kids at home, and she was really getting annoyed by that. So she discovered this way to study and learn and use social media to market stuff online. And she created an online digital business marketing stuff. And within a few months, she was able to quit all of her jobs and just work 2 hours from home and be with her kids full time, which is what she wanted to do. And needless to say, all of her friends wanted to know how she did it. So she put together a series of videos that explained what she did and how she did it, and started showing that to her friends, who also became successful. So it developed into a formal course, and she has thousands of students now. And what's really cool is she developed this community of students and staff who help people on an ongoing basis develop their skills and learn how to use social media. Now, what's really cool about it is that she provides a website and some products for you to practice on. So as soon as you sign up, you learn exactly what to do and how to do it, and you can start selling her products. That way you don't have to develop your own products, and very quickly start earning enough money to quit your job and go full-time as an artist. So you just have to work 2 hours a day or maybe 3 hours a day from home. That'll give you enough money to cover all your bills and expenses and have money for art supplies or whatever else you need to do for your artistic career, and get started as an artist. Anyway, there's quite a bit of information on my website. If you go to www.aspiringartist.art, I have it all kind of explained there. And then from there you can add your email, and that'll take you to a video by the lady who started the course, and she explains everything. And on the website, there's all the information about how to take the course. Anyway, I'm very excited about it because after all these years, which has been a few decades of my trying to figure out how to be a full-time artist when I have a full-time job, I finally found a way, and I want to share it with all my other struggling, aspiring artist friends. So check it out, www.aspiringartist.art, and that'll give you all the information. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. But I'm very excited about this. This is for artists or musicians or athletes or anybody who just wants to work 2 or 3 hours a day from home and have the rest of the day free to work on something else. Okay, catch you later.